So there's a big shift happening. If you look at the kind of baseline across the US and even the world, the interest rates are ultra low, bonds are getting hammered. The typical balanced portfolio model of 60/40 bonds equity split is just, it's not holding true anymore. It worked for a while. And so there's this shift happening where individuals, even institutions, are having to change their perspective and look for different types of asset classes that are beyond just the traditional bond and equity market. And you combine that with inflation and some of the kind of really interesting things that are going on in macro, folks are starting to look for new types of asset classes. And in the backdrop to all that, we have a lot of exponential technology going on. It's the first time in history that we have as many core technologies and pieces of our life that are going through network adoption effects, and they're massively starting to scale. And so from everything from the way we do finance, the way we do healthcare, the way we do cars, I think Raul Paul talks a lot about this. We see that the way that people invest is also changing. We do a great job as financial services to lock everybody up into a specific bank or a specific broker dealer, and your money is stuck there. So like my wealth is maybe my retirement account at one institution, my trading account at another, my house in another place, and it's not very portable. And as a global citizen, someone that lives all in the world, I need to be able to access my value in kind of a global space. And we see that that's one of the big shifts that's happening. And when we look at our business, we say we are a participant in that locking you up into this silo of capital. And we want to extend our business to allow access to this more, let's say, global pool of capital. And cryptocurrency for us is one of those gateways. We see our role as we have a group of people that trade traditional markets and we have access to crypto markets. So we provide that unique, familiar experience for you to go from Apple one day to Bitcoin the next day. And that was what we initially set out to do, was how do we open up access to that world of digital assets and cryptocurrencies in a way that people could be familiar with and could rely on. We did that. And what we're seeing now is it's really important to expand access to more people. It's still not easy or very comfortable for many people to get involved with.